Welcome to Therapeutic Parenting, a calm, supportive space for parents who want to guide their children with connection, emotional safety, and understanding. Today, we're talking about mistakes and how the way we respond to them can either create shame or build confidence, learning, and resilience. Mistakes are not something to fear. They are part of how children learn and grow. When we shift our mindset, mistakes become powerful teaching moments instead of something to punish. Before reacting, take a breath. Inhale learning. And gently exhale blame. This pause helps you respond with intention instead of frustration. After a mistake, children often already feel embarrassed, frustrated, or unsure. If we respond with anger, it can increase shame instead of helping them learn what to do next. Instead of reacting harshly, use supportive language. You can say, "Let's figure this out together. What can we do next time?" This invites problem solving instead of fear. When a mistake affects someone else, teach repair. For example, "That hurt your sibling. Let's make it better." This builds responsibility without shame. Shift the focus from what went wrong to what can be done next. This builds problem-solving skills and helps children feel capable. Children learn by watching you. When you make a mistake, say, "I made a mistake. I'm going to try again." This normalizes growth. When mistakes are treated as part of learning, children become more resilient. They are more willing to try, fail, and try again. Every time you respond with patience and guidance, You are turning mistakes into powerful learning moments. If this space feels supportive, you're welcome to subscribe. New calming parenting videos shared regularly